Whew, I am tired. Saturday night, out shopping, and hit up. First, I had to hit up this one postal area that does like UPS, FedEx, and USPS to send out Brian Rainey his prize from my Road to 50 Subscribers giveaway. Very late. Took a while to put together, but it's out there now. Alright, back to the thing. I went to Walmart, and of course, at Walmart I had to check out the Funko aisle. And I found one mystery mini of something I've never seen in the wild, and that would be Marvel. And then when I was about to check out, I saw the little area, and then I found 4 more. Well, I found a little more than 4 more, but I'm not going to spend all the money to get all that, This was enough. I got like 5 of them. And so we're going to be opening up Mystery Minis Marvel for Mystery Saturday. It's not like it's every time it's Mystery Saturday. Sometimes it's Mystery Monday. Depends on when I get to the store, though. Lately, it's mostly on Saturdays. Let's see what we got. Blind bag. A little bit of tear. Open up to the Punisher. Frank Castle. Looks like he smells a fart. He's very bubbly. Alright, next one up. What are we going to get? This is what we could get. Hulk, Thor, 2 Lokis, a Spider-Man, which I'm hoping for, Green Goblin, 2 different Deadpools, a Punisher, which we already got, a Dark Phoenix, which I'd hope to get, Silver Surfer, Doom, Doctor Doom, Scarlet Witch, Ultron, Thanos, Galactus. They got one of these Punishers, dude. He is 1 in 444. Some odds, huh? Will I get that lucky? Probably not. But I can try. I got the Scarlet Witch. She, like Frank Castle over there, the Punisher, I was 2 in 24. I got her daddy over back that way on the shelf. Alright. No doubles. No doubles. I got another 2 in 24. Doctor Doom. Alrighty. 2 more to go. Let's see what we get. Still waiting on to see if I get that Spider-Man. I'm feeling the bag. I can't tell. I had to guess. It would be Green Goblin. Nope. It's the Hulk. There's very bubbly. And he can't stand up. Last one. Be something awesome. Something lame. Thor. These things sure know how to bobble. Thor, you're showing your spring. It's pretty cool though. Didn't get anything too special, but that is me. Special enough, I guess. Alright, that's all for Mystery Saturday. Mystery Mini Saturday. The Mystery Weekend. I don't know. But that's what it is. I think there's a problem going on in the other room. I need to check out on. So there we go. Not too shabby. Not like the world's greatest. I guess some of them are the world's greatest in a sense. Figure out why Hulk can't stand. Don't know yet. Maybe he has one too many drinks. So I will have some things to try in a little bit. I got a bottle of wine. I'm going to do a little wine tasting, which will be interesting because I know nothing about wine, but I was talking with some wine connoisseurs on YouTube. You know who you guys are. Wine and Horror. And they gave me a little tidbits, so I got something that was a whitish wine, I think. Like a duck something, Germany. And then I also grabbed... What did I also grab? What was the other thing that I grabbed? You tell me, right now. What was it? Oh, I got a little bottle of sake to try. Told me I have to heat it up. I'm like, ooh, that sounds interesting. Can't wait to try it, because I've never had it before. I would have wanted to. So that's a little things to look forward to in the future. So that's it for now. Let's thumbs up. Everyone wants to be a little bit encouraged. Nobody really wants to see a thumb down, but hey, at least you viewed it. Comment if you want to talk about updates or this and that. Hell, you want to talk about what I got? You know, the Punisher, the Scarlet, the Doom, the Hulk, the Asgardian. Let's do it. Let's chit-chat. What, nothing? You're just gonna sit there? Alright. You can watch me in all my glory.